share few points about save water. Water is the most precious gift to the humanity by the nature. Life on the earth is possible only because of water. 3/4 surface of the earth is covered by the water. Even after people are suffering from water scarcity in many regions of India, difficultly faced by the people, teachers save water in order to protect their water environment. We need water for drinking, cooking, bathing, washing, sewing of plants, etc. We should save water for future generation and maintaining the quality of India. Quality of water. Thank you.